Section 509 of the Indian Penal Code, IPC, addresses the insult of a woman's modesty through words, gestures, or acts intended to shame or offend. It focuses on actions that are sexually suggestive, degrading, or designed to cause humiliation. The key element is the intent to insult the woman's modesty, and the act must be intended to be seen or heard by the woman. Key elements of Section 509. 1. Intent to insult. The core requirement is that the action must be done with the specific purpose of insulting the woman's modesty. 2. Words, gestures, or acts. The insult can be conveyed through spoken words, suggestive gestures, or any other action intended to shame the woman. 3. Intrusion on privacy. Attempting to intrude on a woman's privacy in a way that is intended to shame her can also be an offense. And 4. Physical acts. Physical actions, such as inappropriate touching, can also be covered under Section 509 if the intent is to insult her modesty. Examples of actions that could violate Section 509. 1. Verbal. Using sexually explicit language or making suggestive remarks about a woman's appearance. 2. Gestural. Making lewd gestures, winking, or any action that is sexually suggestive. 3. Intrusion. Attempting to intrude on a woman's privacy in a way that is intended to shame or embarrass her. And 4. Physical. Grabbing a woman's clothing or touching her inappropriately with the intention to insult her modesty. Key court decisions. Rupam Deol Bajaj vs Kanwar Pal Singh Gill, 1995. The Supreme Court emphasized that the action must be perceived as capable of shocking the sense of decency of a woman. Anuradha R. Kashirsagar vs State of Maharashtra, 1989. The Bombay High Court clarified that modesty refers to the feminine quality of decency, and any assault on this quality could be an offense. Later judgments. 1. Courts consistently highlight the importance of intent in determining whether an act falls under Section 509. 2. Mere use of filthy language does not automatically invoke the section. There must be a clear intention to insult the woman's modesty. And 3. A Delhi court convicted a man for using the phrase, haram ka mal, and other derogatory terms, finding the language intended to insult the woman's modesty. Punishment. Section 509 is a cognizable, bailable, and non-compoundable offense, triable by any magistrate. The punishment can include simple imprisonment for a term of up to 3 years, along with a fine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment.